Good morning, teacher. Today I am very exciting for the class. Wait, Carlos. Do you mean you are very excited for the class? Oh, sorry. Yes, I am very exciting. Oh, again. Don't worry. That's the first common mistake. Let me explain. Exciting describes something that makes you feel happy or thrilled. But when you describe your feeling, you say, I am excited. So you should say, I am very excited for the class. Oh, I understand. So I am excited, but the class is exciting. Exactly. You are learning fast. Good for you. Let's keep going. Thank you, teacher. All right. Today I bring my notebook. Wait a minute, Carlos. That's mistake number two. I'll explain. The past tense of bring is brought, not bringed. So the correct sentence is today I brought my notebook. Oh, okay. Not bring it. Brought. English is weird. Yes, sometimes. But you'll get used to it. You just need to practice. Alright. Also, teacher, yesterday I go to the mall with my cousin. Oops. Mistake number three. If it happened yesterday, you need the past tense of go. So, what is the past tense? I am not sure, but I think it is goeth. Good try, but no. It's went. So you say, yesterday I went to the mall. English verbs are crazy. And I see many peoples at the mall. Oh, Carlos, this is mistake number four. The word people is already plural. You don't say peoples unless you're talking about different groups of people from different cultures, which is very rare. So, the correct sentence is I saw many people at the mall. Ah, so no peoples, just people. Got it. I like this class. Alright. Then I buy it a new shoes. Wait. Let's fix two things there. That's mistake number five. First, the verb buy in the past is bought, not buy it. Second, a new shoes is incorrect. You tell me why. Alright. Because shoes are Two. Exactly. Shoes is plural. So you say, I bought new shoes. No a. Or if it's just one, I bought a new shoe. I see. No a with plural words. Perfect. What else? I was so happy that I danced all the night. Almost perfect. But here comes mistake number 6. You said all the night. We don't say that. We say I danced all night or the whole night. Also, don't forget the ed or dance in past. Danced. Oh man, this language has too many small things, but it's very interesting. Verbs in the past. I won't forget again, I promise, teacher. I have one doubt. I think you mean I have a question. That's mistake number 7. In English, we don't usually say I have a doubt, like in Spanish or Portuguese. That's a false friend. It sounds natural in other languages, but not in English. You say, I have a question, or I'm not sure about something. In English, if you say, I have a doubt, it sounds like you don't believe something. Oh, okay. I understand. I have a question. I am agree, teacher. Oh, you just made mistake number 8. We don't say I am agree. Agree is a verb in English, not an adjective like in some other languages. You just say I agree. No, I am agree. I agree. Remember. Wow, I always say that wrong. No wonder people look confused. Alright, what else? Also, yesterday I studied English during 2 hours. That's mistake number 9. A preposition problem. In English, we don't say during 2 hours when talking about the length of time. You should say, I studied English for 2 hours. That's correct. During 2 hours is wrong here. Don't forget that. Yes, teacher, I understand. So, when do I say during? Good question. You say during when referring to an event or moment in time. I fell asleep during the movie. It rained during the night. But for duration, use for. I waited for 30 minutes. Aha, that's why my sentences always sounded weird. Sorry, teacher. My problem is, teacher, sometimes I forget the homeworks. Mistake number 10. Homework is uncountable in English. We don't say homeworks. We say I forgot my homework. Now, if you want to talk about several tasks, you can say I forgot some homework or I have a lot of homework today. Just like furniture, advice, information, they are all uncountable. Okay, I understand. Hey teacher, can you explain me this grammar? Here comes mistake number 11. You said, can you explain me this grammar? But in English, the verb explain doesn't work like that. So, the correct is, can you explain this grammar to me? The explanation is, explain needs a thing after it, not a person. Because you explain something to someone. He explained the rules to me. Oh, I always mix that up. I thought it was like, give me or tell me. Many students make that mistake. You're not alone. Remember, I love this class. Can we continue? I need you to correct more of my mistakes. Sure, but time is over. We can make another video if you want. Let me know. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.